Here we come to the elevators at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. We're not going to go down because they're staff floors, so we'll go up. Get a listen to that obnoxious whoosh on one of the elevator cars. Five, four, five is locked, I remember. See, look at this. These floors are locked. Looks like somebody just called it and left, I suppose. But anyways, this is what the cab looks like. These are your MT fixtures. ADA foam. Let's get the other car. I thought I'd do a much more updated take on this elevator just in case. Listen to this motor, it sounds horribly obnoxious. 4, because 5 is locked. Listen to this, listen. Gosh, that sounds wonderful, man. Here's your phone. Door close button does not work. I want to switch cars on 4. Similar cab like the other one. Listen to that. My gosh, that sounded something. All right, I want to get this elevator. Oh, here's this elevator car right here. Oh. Nope, I just missed it. It's got the circle lanterns rather than the usual triangle ones. I just literally missed that one. Look how spread apart these elevator doors are. They're like far apart from each other. Oh, here it is. The fan's not as loud on this one. The motor sounds a lot better than the other one. Door close one does not work. We're gonna go ahead and end it on 2, so we can cross to the research center, which is the new wing. Here we are at 2. And that'll be it.